Just got a Canon camera but not sure how to take your first photo? Most beginners get confused with the buttons and settings, but it's actually super simple. In just a few steps, you'll be snapping clear, sharp photos like a pro. Let's take that picture right now. First, make sure to insert a memory card into your camera, otherwise you can't take pictures. Then look at the top of the camera. Here you can see a switcher. Just flip the power switch to on. If you're using a lens with a cap, remove it. If your lens isn't already attached, twist the lens clockwise until it clicks into place. On your lens, there's usually an AF/MF switch. AF stands for autofocus and MF stands for manual focus. For general shooting, set it to AF. Now again, if you look at the top of your camera, with the power switcher you can see a wheeler. It's called mode dial. Turn the mode dial to select your photo mode, like green A, scene modes, creative zone modes. The creative zone modes include M, AV, TV, and P. These modes give you more control over your settings. Now press the live view button to activate it to frame your shot. This button looks like a camera icon in a circle, and you will see a red dot on top of it. And here you can either use the viewfinder or the LCD screen to review your frame point. Viewfinder looks like a little glass piece on top of the LCD screen. Then half press the shutter button to focus, and there you'll see the camera adjust the focus on the subject. Then you'll hear a beep and see focus points. Once focused, press the shutter button all the way down to take the picture. After taking the picture, press the playback button. It is often an icon of rectangle with a play icon below. You can then use the arrow keys to see the photos, or touchscreen to slide through your photos. If you notice that the pictures look bad, you can delete by tapping the delete icon next to the play button. Then tap erase and it's deleted. When you're done, flip the power switcher again to turn it off. And there you have it. This is how you can take a picture on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.